Hi guys, welcome to your weekly source of all things movies. This is Mixed Movie Date and I'm Chino.
And I'm Ai. Patuloy pa rin ang ating Kathniel craze with our full feature on Star Cinema's Crazy Beautiful You.
And aside from Kathniel, we get to hear from the director and the other cast members, including two respected veteran actors.
Kasama na rin dyan ang isang lovable at napakakulit na rising star.
At para sa lahat ng nag-aabang sa Crazy Beautiful You, today's show is just for you guys.
Aside from that, we also feature 4 foreign films opening in the cinemas this week, and they all look so good.
So stick around and see what else is coming up on Mixed Movie Date today.
Wait, we'll say what you were gonna say, and then maybe we should, like, not talk for a minute.
I'm probably gonna fall in love with you.
I know you're doing something big. I want in.
I have to go.
Last week, we gave you guys a sneak peek of our interview with Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo.
At grabe talaga ang support ng mga Kathniel fans. Ibang klase kayo.
Wild talaga guys! Thank you very much for watching at sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ang pinaka-sweet na Catherine Bernardo quiz kung saan perfect ang score ni Daniel.
Perfect, pero medyo pasang-awa yung ibang questions eh.
Okay, we'll take it. We will.
Okay, pero ngayon naman, kilalanin natin ang iba pang mga tao na bumubuo ng bago na lang movie, Star Cinema's Crazy Beautiful You.
Let's start off with the director, Direk May Cruz Alviar, who also directed hits such as Catch Me, I'm in Love, Every Breath You Take, She's the One, and Bride for Rent.
Ang dami na niyang nakatrabaho na bigating love themes. I got to interview her last year for Past Tense. That's a Kim C movie naman.
Okay.
And as always talaga si Direk May, alam mo, soft-spoken siya. Hindi mo
Okay.
akalain talagang director siya na nakakatakot.
Aha.
Kasi sobrang, ang comfortable niyang kausap.
Very approachable.
Yes, very approachable. So, eto na guys, panoorin natin.
Here we go.
We are now with Direk May Cruz Alviar. Direk, welcome back to Mixed Movie Date.
Thank you for having me here.
We love having you here. The last time you were here was for Past Tense.
Yes.
Now, you've done a lot of rom-coms. Yeah, Past Tense, Bride for Rent. So, what was your reaction when you heard na you were doing one with Kathniel naman?
Excited, nervous, kasi syempre, di ba, it's a very strong love team. It's very popular. So to be given the opportunity to work with them, such a popular couple, parang kakatuwa and parang kaka-nervous din kasi syempre you have to live up to the expectations of others. But I saw it more of a blessing na parang, and it was an opportunity to try new things kasi di ba, I always, lately I've been working with Kim C a lot. So nakalabas ako dun sa comfort zone ko.
Now, please tell us about the story of Crazy Beautiful You.
So Crazy Beautiful You, it's story of 5 people, 5 broken people.
This is Jackie.
Pumayag ka na kasi na isama ko siya sa medical mission sa Tarlac.
This is Kiko.
Si Kiko ang coordinator ng grupo namin. He's the mayor's son.
When life makes a crazy turnaround,
Ikaw ang inaatasan kong maging bantay dyan.
Through this experience, this medical mission, they found healing in this experience.
Bakit ako? Sarili mong anak? Hindi mo ako nagawang alagaan ng ganyan. Bakit mo ako iniwan?
Jackie, tigas mo naman. Masyado mo iniisip yung sarili mo.
Wala kang karapatang maliit yung nararamdaman ko.
Hindi ikaw ang unang anak na naiwan ng magulang.
It's not just a love story. There's that family background, very strong family background and backstory.
in a movie where they discover that no matter how crazy life gets, love makes it beautiful.
Kung sumabog yan, galit na galit.
A beautiful disaster.
Parang ito.
Crazy Beautiful You.
As Direk May mentioned, hindi lang sina Kathniel ang dapat abangan ng mga tao sa Crazy Beautiful You.
The cast includes Inigo Pascual and veteran actors Mr. Gabby Concepcion and Miss Lorna Tolentino.
So, umpisan ko na with Mr. Gabby Concepcion.
Yeah.
Alam mo, Chino, yung mommy ko, super Sharonian siya.
Okay.
So, I grew up watching yung mga P.S. I Love
Yeah,
You, Dear Heart,
correct.
mga Sharon Gabby movies talaga. And doon nakita ko siya, alam mo, ganun na ganun pa rin yung itsura niya
Hindi
talaga.
talaga nagbabago, no?
We're now with Mr. Gabby Concepcion. Welcome to Mixed Movie Date, Sir Gabby.
Well, it's nice to be here. Kamusta?
Kamusta po? Ang gwapo niyo po.
Salamat. Bigyan kita ng ticket.
Yes, yay! So, kamusta po ang experience niyo working on this film?
Ako, napakasaya. Especially yung dalawa. Harutan ng harutan, kulitan ng kulitan. At yung masaya sa set, hindi boring.
When I was doing my practicum, he was my artista. And then, so ako parang na-starstruck talaga ako, oh my gosh, Gabby Concepcion.
At yung director ka na, Derek.
Well, you know what he said to me? He said, oh, baka one day you will direct me when you become a director na. And I was just in third year college that time. Wow. So ako naman si Kuya, you know, maybe, who knows, right?
Kailan lang yun? That was about, what, 2 years ago or something
Yes.
like that? No?
Last year lang.
Hindi, pero matagal-tagal na yun. Oh. Bata pa kami pareho noon. Talagang totoo yun. Yung, when you dream, dreams can come true.
Sa akin po ba, wala po ba kayo sabihin na baka in the future, baka maging ganun din po ako?
Ikaw, pwede mo kayo direct one day? O yan, baka
Sige
mangyari.
po. Baka magkatotoo po yan, magdilang anghel po kayo ulit.
Pero kailan ka gagawa kailan ang first movie mo?
Wala pa po. Wala pa pong plans. Busy pa po.
Sino ang first leading man na gusto mong makasama?
Gabby Concepcion.
Aba, bibigyan kita 2 na ticket na bibigyan ko sa'yo.
Yay!
Aside from Gabby Concepcion, syempre andito din si Miss Lorna Tolentino.
Isa talaga sa mga pinakabatikan na artista na nire-respeto ng lahat.
That is right. So, hindi ka ba na-intimidate sa kanya? I mean, it's Miss Lorna Tolentino.
You know what? At first, I was. Kasi siya yung tipo ng interviewee na hindi mo patapos sabihin yung question mo.
Okay.
Alam niya na agad, gets niya na agad. So,
yes,
sasagutin niya na agad. So, ako medyo kinakabahan ako nung una. Pero, as the interview went on, you know what? She was very friendly naman. And, makikita mo na kahit na superstar siya, talagang, humble pa rin siya in her answers. And it was a really good interview. Miss Lorna, medyo pagbabalik tanawin muna namin kayo kasi you've had a long career. So, sa lahat po ng mga nagawa niyong pelikula, dati napapanood ko pa yung ate, pupo na lang ate. With
Nakagapo sa
Sharon, mga
puso.
ganyan. Yes. So, ano po yung masasabi niyong mga career highlights ninyo?
Itong Crazy Beautiful You is my 105, if I'm not mistaken, sa
Wow.
films na to date. So, kinento ko masyadong mahaba kasi parang nakakalimang dekada na ako sa buhay ko sa industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino. But working syempre with the great directors like, of course, Lino Broca, Marilu Diaz-Abaya, Ishmael Bernal. Yun yung mga, syempre, highlight na masasabi ko. Kasi they're not here anymore, but yung talagang class, alam mong pag ginawa nila, nagiging classic na yung pelikula.
How is it like shooting this film, itong Crazy Beautiful You?
It's a fun shooting kasi magaang lahat yung mga kasama, very positive sila.
Well, si LT matagal ko nang nakakasama, nakakailang pelikula na kami. And parating masayang kasama si LT. Mas lalo na nung magkasama pa sila, nung buhay pa si Rudy, yung mag-asawang niya na talagang champion yan.
Please tell us about your role. Sino po ba kayo
My
dito sa
role
pelikula?
is, I'm Dr. Leia. I'm a pedia doctor and yun yung medical mission na nagkaroon kami ng medical mission. It's not the first time, but it's the first time na nakasama ko si Jackie, the role of Kathleen, na siya yung daughter ko dito, na sinama ko doon para makita niya yung kabuhayan dun sa mga ITAS there sa Tarlac.
So we got to talk to the grown-ups in the film, pero ngayon naman, let's go to the young stars, Chino.
So, does this mean na time na for Kathniel?
Hindi pa, guys. Not yet, pero kasama rin kasi dito si Inigo Pascual, who is always so full of energy and always fun to talk to. So the last time you were here, it was for Relax Is Just Pag-ibig. That was your first movie. And ito, meron ka ng second one. And with Kathniel pa, how was the experience like?
The experience, it was really fun. Siyempre, Kathniel yan. So, malaking love team yan and such a big name. So, it's really an honor to be working with them. Yung experience doon talagang grabe kasi every morning gumigising kami 5 a.m. Tapos, yung travel time papunta sa set, 1 hour. Sasakay muna kami sa kotse, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes actually. Sasakay muna sa kotse, papunta dun sa station, sa kami sasakay ng 4x4. Tapos, sasakay pa ng 4x4 kasi yung set namin sa Aita community, doon malapit talaga sa Pinatubo. Tapos talagang road, talagang shaky siya. Tapos, pero masaya dahil pagdating mo sa set, walang signal, walang kuryente. So, talagang everyone connects with each other and the nature lang. Tsaka yung mga Aita nga, nakakausap namin. Kami naka 4x4, mga 45 minutes. Pero sila nilalakad na yun for 4 hours para lang pumunta sa school or kung may kailangan silang bilhin.
Doon mo makikita talaga na kailangan nila ng mga doctors talaga kasi nga medyo remote eh.
So aside from shooting the film, talagang you got to learn about the Aita community.
Yeah.
Good experience for you. Now, ano ba yung role mo dito sa movie na to?
Ako dito si Marcos, anak siya ni Mayor Ito, which is played by Tito Gabby, and half-brother siya ni Daniel, ni Kiko.
Hindi naman sila nag-aaway, nagkakaroon ng konting tension lang. Pero yan ang kagandahan ng story nito, we bind people together.
Nung first day together, lahat kami family, si Tippy, Tita Cheska, tsaka si Tito Gabby. Siya yung pinakamakulit. Kasi lahat ng pictures gusto niya may peace sign. Lahat talaga sabi niya peace, peace.
Well, si Inigo kasi he's the son of PJ, of Piolo. And I've worked with PJ in so many projects. Ano pa lang ako, assistant director pa lang ako. So, one, of course, hindi ako masyado natuwa dun sa thought that I'm directing his son. Alam mo yan, I feel, so I suddenly...
16.
Exactly, sinabihan nga ako ni PJ na tumitita na daw ako.
Can you relate to your character here?
Somewhat, like yun nga, anak siya ni Mayor Ito. Ako naman, anak ni Piolo. So, I guess yung pressure na anak siya ng mayor na kailangan yung standards niya ganun kataas. Siguro ganun din yung sa akin na people expect me to be as good as my dad or people expect me to be like this or that just because my dad is Piolo.
Nakakatuwa to be handling his son and knowing him, getting to work with him. Nakita ko yung who he is as a person beyond the son of Piolo.
So we just heard from the other stars of Crazy Beautiful You.
Don't go anywhere, guys, dahil susunod na ang inaabangan ng lahat.
Susunod na kantay ako kumanta. May kasama ako dito si Morissette. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Yay! Simple,
Sorry,
simple.
talo ka
Direct
na.
to the
Kinanta ko
point.
eh.
Welcome back to Mixed Movie Date.
Guys, get your hashtags ready because it's time for #Katniel on Mixed Movie Day!
Let's make it trend, guys! At di na namin papatagalin pa. Let's hear it straight from the Team King and the Team Queen while they talk about their new experiences that they had while shooting Crazy Beautiful You.
Ngayon palang ramdam na ramdam ko na yung kilig talaga. Iba yung Katniel na tandem. How are you guys? Kamusta kayo?
Okay naman, puro promos kami ngayon for the movie. And then magsa-start na kami ng Pangako. Yan.
Nice. Now, coming from the success of She's Dating the Gangster, kamusta yung experience nyo doing this film?
Ito masaya syempre dahil nandun nga kami sa Tarlac. At iba experience dahil parang ang layo namin sa syudad. Kasi nasa bundok nga kami nagsushoot. Tapos doon kami natutulog. Masarap, masaya doon.
Yeah, I heard nga wala daw internet doon. So, ano yung naging epekto nun sa pag-shoot ninyo?
Sa akin okay lang. Sa akin okay lang kasi hindi ako masyado sa telepono.
During na taping, andun ka, wala talagang internet. So parang mag-uusap talaga kayo kasi wala kang ibang gagawin.
So aside from pag-uusap, ano pa mga ginagawa niyo on set?
Nag-uuno kami, pinagtitripan nila yung isa namin kasama. Ganun, masaya. Parang more on bonding talaga namin lahat.
Mukhang masaya nga yung pag-shoot niyo nito. Now, ang dami niyo nang nagawang mga movies together, shows together. Ano yung kinaibahan ng tambalan niyo dito sa Crazy Beautiful You?
This time, ako naman yung medyo rebellious. Usually kasi si DJ yung anak ng mayaman na siya yung rebellious child, yan, ganyan. Tapos ako yung mag-aayos sa kanya. Pero dito, parang si DJ, siya ngayon ang tumulong sa akin na nagtulungan kami ng isa't isa para maayos yung journey namin na yun. Tapos, siya naman, siya yung nagpapatawa, siya yung maingay, ako yung payating tahimik.
Ikaw naman, Daniel, paano ka nag-prepare para sa role mo dito?
Hindi naman din ganun kahirap kasi yung character ko naman masayahin lang naman. Ganun, so medyo pa-komedyante kunwari. Madam Baby.
Chiki.
Jackie, shy type ako.
There's no question that their on-screen chemistry is one of the best out there. Kahit di sila nagsasalita, talagang ramdam na ramdam mo na kinikilig sila sa isa't isa. Pero, getting to interview them firsthand in person, Ai, what can you say about their off-screen chemistry naman?
So, meron akong scoop for all the Kathniel fans
Spill
out
it!
there. Kapag nagtatanong ako ng question, may times bigla na magkakaroon sila ng sariling mundo. Parang nakakalimutan nilang, andito po kami.
to,
Yes, interview to.
yes.
Tapos biglang maghaharutan na sila. Tapos ang sweet-sweet nila. Tapos ako naman, napapapanood na lang ako ng ganyan.
Why
Parang,
not, di ba?
nakakakilig sila.
So there you go, guys. First-hand experience ni Ai yan with Kathniel. Now, their co-stars also weigh in on how they are when the cameras are not rolling.
Speaking of Kathniel, napapag-usapan na nga natin. Do you have any interesting stories of them on set?
Yes!
You can share.
Madami na ako nakikita. They're very sweet with each other. Very real, actually, kahit off-cam. With them, super comfortable ako agad kasi talkative rin sila. Especially si DJ, palaging may joke yan.
Parati siyang nagpapatawa, hindi siya yung bigla na lang siyang hihirit na parang benta yun. Minsan hindi benta, pero minsan benta.
Maraming masayang nangyayari sa Kathniel. Hindi lang on-screen, pero behind the scenes.
Pag nakita ko sila, hinahanap nilang isa't isa pag wala yung isa. So, asan si asan si... andun siya, blah, blah, blah. They're always looking for each other.
They are so relax sa isa't isa. Kaya siguro yung mararamdaman mo na nagbe-blend sila talaga together. Pati ikaw nakikikilig ka.
Super game lang din sa Tita Lorna. May isa pa kami ginagawa parate. Yung, anong game na yun? Yung sa phone, yung
Pinoy Henyo?
Parang ganun. Tapos yung iba naman faces, movies, ganyan. Parang charades na ganyan. So, usually si Tita Lorna yung nagsisimula nun para magsa-start na.
Si Catherine, she's such an animal lover. Kasi talaga nagagalit siya yung mga baboy,
Kasi meron sila dong baboy, meron silang dogs, ganyan. Tapos,
Yung baboy doon parang aso.
Oo, parang
Yung
normal lang
biglang
sa
lalakad sa harap ng baboy talagang malaki. Ganun.
Tapos talagang hinahawakan mo daw.
no, yung the dog, pero yung baboy parang masuwet siya. Tapos inagawan niya food yung aso, so nainis ako sa kanya. Hindi, joke lang.
Si DJ naman yung mga bata, talagang nilalaro niya, kinakausap niya, and kinukulit niya, nakikipag siya sa mga bata.
Lahat sila trip ko mga tao doon. Tsaka sobrang angas ng trip nila Makitakit ng bundok.
Sinabayan mo ba sila? Ano mga natutuhan niyo dito sa experience na to? Kasi na-immerse daw kayo dun sa Aita community talaga
Doon sa akit ng bundok, di ko sinabayan yung trip nila dun. Kasi medyo nakakahinga din. Pero dun sa mga pagbukas-bukas ng mga puso, yung mga pagkuha ng puso nung sa akin.
You know what? I hope one day makavisit ako sa set ng isang Kathniel movie para ma-witness ko firsthand yung mga Kathniel moments na yan.
Sama mo na ako dyan, Aya. I'm
Sige.
sure next time talagang sasama na ako sa Kathniel experience na yan.
Yeah.
But another big part of Kathniel movies is the soundtrack.
Pareho kayo naging mixed celebrity VJs na. So, kamusta naman yung experience na yon? Ikaw muna, Catherine.
Na-enjoy ko siya. Tapos ang chill lang ng mga staff. Parang, tuloy mo lang yung ganyan. Masaya.
Siyempre, love ka naman ng lahat dito sa mix.
Masaya nga sa mix ng tita ko.
Ikaw naman, Danielle, how was your experience?
Masaya, pero mas pipiliin ko maging staff na lang.
Uy, masusiyahan ng lahat
Ayoko
ng staff.
sa harap ng camera. Doon na ako sa likod.
Tagahanan naman.
Tagahawak ka ng...
So, since meron na kayong experience doing that, ngayon, titest namin yung VJing skills nyo, kung ano ba yung natutuhan nyo. Kasi,
Sinabi ko, ayoko. Ikaw na lang
ito, ipapa-intro namin sa inyo yung theme song ng inyong movie na Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now by Daniel Padilla and Morissette. Pero pagalingan kayo sa pag-VJ. I think yung mga Kathniel fans, tweet nyo ang Mix Philippines or tweet nyo rin sila. Sabihin nyo kung sino ang nanalo dito. To help us introduce the music video for Crazy Beautiful You, here are VJ Danielle and VJ Catherine.
Take it away!
Itong sunod na kanta ako kumanta. May kasama ako dito si Morissette. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Yay! Simple,
Sorry, talo ka
Direct
na.
to the
Kinanta ko Ako kumante.
Oh my gosh, kailangan ko gawa na sa'yo. Hindi pa.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi everyone, and for the #1 spot here on Mix, here's Daniel Padilla.
Lagi ko naririnig yan din na
and Morissette para sa movie nila ni Catherine Bernardo na napakagandang pelikula na kailangan niyo panoorin. Ito ang theme song ng Crazy Beautiful You. This is Nothing's Gonna Stop Us Now by Daniel Padilla and Morissette. Woohoo! Mas may sense yan, guys, diba?
So, sino ang
Parang
nanalo?
mas
Board of
masaya yung
Judges.
akin.
No, pareho kami yung nanalo dito. Yay!
Yay!
We can build this dream together.
sana po supportahan nyo ang Crazy Beautiful You. Sa Feb 25 na po yan. And of course, kasama namin dito si Miss Lorna Tolentino, Mr. Gabby Concepcion, Inigo Pascual, at marami pang iba. Thank you.
Yun, totoo po yan. Maganda po ang Crazy Beautiful You. Panoorin niyo po sa February 25 na po yan.
Sana na-enjoy nyo ang ating special on Crazy Beautiful You.
And you can finally watch the movie when it opens on February 25 under Star Cinema.
Now don't go anywhere guys because we will give you other movies opening in the cinemas this week.
Wait.